All right, knowledge seekers, buckle up. We're diving headfirst into a listener request that landed with a thump, let me tell you.
Oh, this is going to be good.
XRP. Our inbox practically exploded, folks demanding we tackle this one. And get this? The source material. Bold. Claims XRP is the future of finance, no less.
Big words.
Yeah.
Let's break it down. What do we actually know about XRP?
Oh, it's a cryptocurrency, right? But this source, they're going way beyond just like buy low, sell high.
See, that's what's got me interested. XRP. It's gunning for more than just a spot on the crypto charts. This is about changing how money itself moves around the world. That's the goal, anyway.
Okay, hold on. Back it up a bit. When I think crypto, I think Bitcoin. And no offense to the Bitcoin fanatics, but my bank doesn't exactly let me pay rent with it.
Exactly. That's one of those key distinctions here, XRP. It's not trying to replace banks. It's trying to work with them, make those systems better, faster, cheaper.
Oh, so less rip it all down and more like, let's give this dinosaur a tune-up.
Precisely. It's all about efficiency. XRP acts as this bridge currency, you see. Cuts out the middlemen for faster, cheaper, and more secure cross-border payments. Imagine sending money internationally as easily as shooting a text.
Okay, now that's a future I can get behind. No more waiting days for a wire transfer, wondering when it'll finally go through.
Gone. We're talking transactions in seconds instead of days. That's the kind of speed XRP is aiming for.
Sounds almost too good to be true, although I do see some folks calling XRP a bank coin. Not exactly a compliment in the crypto world, right?
Yeah, it's a label that makes some crypto diehards twitch, for sure. They see it as, cozying up to the very institutions they're trying to move away from.
So which is it then? Is XRP here to empower the little guy or make big banks even more powerful?
That's the million-dollar question. And the answer is complicated. Our source seems to think it can be both. They lay out four main advantages. Speed and cost, obviously.
Which, I mean, who doesn't love saving time and money, right?
Right. Then there's the partnerships and institutional adoption that's already happening. Ripple, the company behind XRP, they haven't just been sitting around. We're talking major banks and financial players worldwide signing on. They're using RippleNet, this global payment network powered by XRP, for their cross-border transactions.
Okay, so it's like RippleNet is the highway and XRP is the car zooming along it, making those transactions happen quickly.
Perfect analogy. But here's the thing. Those partnerships, they're not just about looking good. It signals that traditional finance is finally taking blockchain technology seriously.
Fascinating. Okay, what else? There was something about liquidity solutions, which honestly sounds like something I'd need a finance degree to understand.
It's simpler than it sounds. Imagine you're a company that does business all over the world, right? You probably have to keep a bunch of money just sitting in different banks around the globe, ready to cover transactions. That's called pre-funding.
Ah, okay. And I'm guessing that ties up money that could be used for other things, right?
Exactly. And that's where XRP swoops in with its cape on. Provides on-demand liquidity, meaning you don't have to pre-fund anymore. You access the money exactly when and where you need it.
Okay, now that's just smart. Less money sitting idle, more money put to work. And way less headache for businesses. I like it. What's the last advantage?
Compliance and regulation.
Wait, really? In the crypto world, that seems kind of unexpected.
That's the thing about Ripple. They're playing the long game. They've been working directly with regulators from the get-go. Transparency, clear rules, that's their jam.
So while other cryptos are trying to burn the system down, XRP is more like, hey, how can we make this work for everyone?
And frankly, that approach is what's attracting those big institutions. Banks, they crave stability, a clear regulatory framework. That's what makes them comfortable enough to actually use it.
So is XRP the future, like our source claims?
That's a tough one. It's definitely got potential, but let's not forget, this whole crypto landscape, it's like the Wild West out there, constantly changing. Who knows what new tech is brewing as we speak?
It is a fascinating space to watch. Could XRP really revolutionize global finance, or will it end up as, a tool mainly for these big financial institutions? It's a question worth chewing on, folks. And hey, maybe we'll have even more answers in a few months, a year. Who knows? That's the exciting part.